IELTS Listening Test Overview. Duration. The test takes approximately 30 minutes. Sections. There are 4 sections in the test. Section 1. This is a conversation between two speakers on a general topic. For example, it might be about someone inquiring about a service or making a reservation. Section 2. This is a monologue set in a social context. For instance, this could be a speech about local facilities or a guide explaining the rules and regulations of a place. Section 3. A conversation between up to 4 speakers about educational or training topics. This could be a university tutor and a student discussing an assignment, for example. Section 4. This is a monologue on an academic subject. For instance, it could be a lecture. Question types. There are various question types you might encounter, including multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram labeling, form, note, table, flowchart, summary completion, sentence completion. Number of questions. There are 40 questions in total. Skills tested. The listening test is designed to assess your ability to understand the main ideas and detailed factual information, recognize the opinions, attitudes, and intentions of speakers, follow the development of ideas. Scoring. The 40 questions are each worth 1 point. These are converted to the IELTS 9-band scale. Additional time. You'll get 10 minutes at the end of the test to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Tips for the IELTS listening test. Stay focused. Since you only hear the audio once, it's crucial to remain attentive throughout. Read ahead. Use the time provided before each section to read through the questions. This gives you a head start in identifying answers when you hear them. Practice. Familiarize yourself with the type of content and question formats by taking practice tests. Mind the word limit. If there's a word limit, e.g., no more than 3 words, make sure you adhere to it. Check your spelling. Incorrect spelling can cost you points.